A very good evening, dear doctors from Mumbai, ladies and gentlemen. I'm impressed. I want to thank all the doctors, clinicians who have taken their time to join us for a very emotional but very significant event that Cadila Pharmaceuticals has rolled out starting this year. IAMICON, the event is IAMICON, a platform which we have created. Last year we did a dry run. We got some good feedback. We learned a lot from what we did last year. So for the first time, now over 50 cities, as my colleagues have mentioned and as the film has shown, we are rolling out as Cadila Pharmaceuticals, a platform, an event in 50 cities where we will showcase what we have done, which we are very proud of, for which scientists at the company have toiled sleepless nights and years, which resulted into something wonderful, which we gave to the Indian population in a very affordable fashion. But we thought that this significant milestones in science should not go unnoticed. So we have created this platform under the banner of IAMICON, a platform which will create meeting grounds to chat about new things which are happening in the area of cardiology and respiratory. But areas where Cadila Pharmaceuticals has also on its own contributed in science and technology. As many of you may know, because I know we have invited people who are believers in Cadila Pharmaceuticals. I know I was told that we have invited people who strongly support the efforts of Cadila Pharmaceuticals. I know we have invited colleagues who have actually contributed to the success and growth of the company. So thank you for the tremendous trust that all of you put in the company, in the products that we make. As many of you know and have experienced over decades, Cadila Pharmaceuticals is a high quality, however affordable products manufacturer from our country, which is present not only in India, services not only India, but covers more than 40 different countries around the world. So we give benefit of our hard work, our high quality medication to heal patients when they really need it. So I know that all of you have the tremendous trust and confidence in the company, and we are therefore eternally and entirely excited to host you this evening. The journey of science and innovation, as many of you know in this audience, is a tough journey. It involves a lot of risks, it requires a lot of patience, and above all, it requires strong leadership, strong inspiration, and deep pockets. We are lucky that in our company, we had all. The inspiration, the dedication, the persistence, the hard work, and the leadership of my father, the chairman emeritus of our company, his wisdom to start a pharma company in the 40s when we just got independent, his wisdom and colleagues' wisdom to help solicit the support of the government to come out of the Patency Act so that lots of Indian companies, lots of chemists and pharmacists could develop, innovate. And we are so fortunate that in India we have affordable medicine. And his vision over 15 years ago to bring something new to the world, something which is affordable to the patients of India. So this journey of research at Cadila started, as I said, more than a decade and a half ago. We had multiple programs at Cadila. I don't even want to start counting them. Let me also admit, we had lots of failures. We were disheartened so many times. Our financial colleagues and advisors talked about stopping programs because it was huge burn of research money. For a company in global standards, which is a small company, it's one of the largest privately held, as you know, Cadila Pharmaceuticals is one of the largest privately held companies of our country. But the Indian pharmaceutical market is what it is with our affordable prices, and global companies' R&D budgets are the size of the Indian pharma. So it's a small company. And for such a small company to be successful in the area of tough areas like cardiology through our innovation in Polycap, in the area of respiratory tuberculosis through our product called Rizorin, and very recently in the area of cancer, non-small cell lung cancer, through our innovation and launch of Mycidex-C. All first time in the world, but brought into the Indian population at a very affordable price. So, something which has never happened in the history, and I thought it's important that we talk about it, share with all of you. I was talking with Professor Dr. Mohanty, and he was repeatedly telling me this afternoon, encouraging me, but repeatedly also telling me that Nai Dawa is billions of dollars. Yes, Professor Mohanty, you're absolutely right. So this Cadila Pharmaceuticals institution, the dedication of its scientists, the inspiration by my father, and the hard work of all of us at Cadila, the research and development, helped us to bring these innovations. We are very proud of these innovations. We want to propagate these innovations. We want to showcase, because unfortunately, there are not many companions or friends or colleagues who have accomplished such tall feat. I think we need to talk about it. And so IAMICON will provide a platform to showcase Cadilla's innovations, to tell you that this great company, Cadila Pharmaceuticals, is different. It's different than most of the other companies, because it not only provides affordable generics, branded generics to you for your use so that you can use with confidence, and when our field officers and ABMs and managers come and talk to you, you can receive them. Be proud that you're helping a good cause of bringing affordable innovations to the market. So I once again thank you all for coming in such large numbers to celebrate what is going to become over time iconic, the IAMICON, a platform where we will celebrate Indian science and Indian innovations. We will showcase Cadilla's innovations, and we would love to have other innovations shared. So I think this is just not a typical gathering. I would love and encourage all people as they come and talk about the products to think about how we together, you and us, can possibly work together going down the line and bring out more Polycaps, more Mycidex, more Rizorins. Above all, I want to appreciate and thank all of you for your tremendous support and the deep trust that you have put in us. I know we will meet again. I know we will meet in the second and third week of November again in next year. But once again, thank you for coming. And we have a wonderful line of speakers this evening. A dear friend of mine, Professor Coates, has flown specially. He's a partner in our journey of research into new drug discovery in antibiotic resistance. But he and then Dr. Shubhangi Parkar will talk to us. So I want to thank you for coming.